So, how do we establish a price? Well, of course, there's many factors, but here's a few things that you need to consider for pricing, and especially pricing of sunglasses. The first two key factors, lens, and we do business with Zeiss. Zeiss is a German internationally leading technology enterprise that offers solutions for industry, research, medicine, eyeglasses, lens, camera lenses. So they're not cheap. And then there's acetate. We do business with Mazzucchelli, a worldwide leader in manufacturing and distributing cellulose acetate. So once we have selected our lens and acetate, we ship all those materials to our Japanese manufacturer. Straight from here, we have a material cost plus shipping cost for even the manufacturing process. Then other factors such as materials, metal, design time, receiving and shipping goods, prototype, 3D printing, duties, production, communication, marketing, photography, media content, offering free shipping, ads, returns, packaging, accessory, office space, warehouse, packaging, package follow-up, electricity, domain name, website hosting, email, support team, accountant, graphic design, social media, webmaster, loss, missed office expenses, and the list goes on. So no doubt that with all of that in mind, we are underpriced. So from the industry standards, we are still underpriced compared to our premium competitors. So one of the reasons why we have chosen not to go into stores, well, I will always remember our few first encounters with stores. They were first flabbergasted by our quality. That was the first thing they noticed. They were like, wow, that's amazing. But after informing them about our price point, the next statement from them was, well, your price is not high enough. The quality that you're offering, well, your price should be at least 1 to 2.5 times more than what you're actually offering right now. And you can see for yourself on a website like Farfetch or any other premium brands, it's not only about the brand name, because even some of them, I'm sure you haven't heard of them ever. But simply that they're not part of the conglomerate and or doesn't sell directly to consumer. And they are premium luxury brands using the same kind of material, technology, and craftsmanship that we are using. So yes, if you didn't already know, 90% of the sunglasses you buy come from just two major companies. For example, brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Prada, DKNY, Dolce & Gabbana are all owned by the same company. Most of sunglasses brands on the market are owned by a couple of giant conglomerates, and Sunglasses Hut, for example, is just one of their storefront. So it's a highly competitive and difficult to access industry. If you haven't already, by all means, go take a look at our limited edition collection. I think we're unique, but so are you. Be brave.